Are you tired of boring weeknight dinners? Let's spice things up with this quick and easy spicy peanut butter chicken. First, let's get prepped. Cut 2 chicken breasts into bite-sized pieces. Slice a large onion. Finely chop 2 chilies. Careful with those if you're spice shy. And dice 2 large tomatoes. Okay, grab a large skillet or wok and heat a tablespoon of oil over medium-high heat. Toss in the chicken, add a pinch of salt and pepper and cook until they're browned and cooked through. About 7 minutes. Remove and set aside. In the same skillet, add another tablespoon of oil, throw in the onions and chilies, and saute until the onions are soft and translucent. Now add those diced tomatoes and cook until they start to break down. Stir in 3 tablespoons of peanut butter until it's all smooth and saucy. If it's too thick, just add a splash of water. Return the chicken to the skillet, coat it in that luscious sauce, and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. Taste, adjust seasoning if needed, and serve over rice or with your favorite side. Sprinkle some fresh cilantro on top if you're feeling fancy. Enjoy your spicy peanut butter chicken.